This is Lady Alexandra, and today I will show you how to do a voodoo puppet love spell to attract a particular person of your desire. As we are nearing the end of winter and spring is coming, as well as Valentine's Day, this is the ideal time to do love spells, and they will be very powerful at this time. For this spell, you will need a voodoo doll, a white candle, a red candle, incense, love oil, salt, paper, pen, 3 red ribbons, and a few of your own personal items, as well as items of the object of your desire. For example, jewelry, strands of hair, or some scraps of fabric from clothing. The best day to do this spell is a Monday, as it is associated with lunar deities and the mysteries. The time of day is the between times of dusk or dawn, and during the new moon, the full moon, or a blue moon. To do this spell, light a white candle to keep the energies pure while you are working. Take the voodoo doll, and you may use a pre-made doll, or you may make your own doll at this time, either out of fabric, or you can sculpt one out of clay or wax. Be sure to insert the personal items within the doll at this time. If you are making a wax or clay doll, just embed the small items within the doll. If you have a pre-made doll, just open a seam and insert the items inside before closing the seam back up. At this time, take your 3 ribbons. Wrap each ribbon around the midsection of the doll while thinking about the tight bond you are creating between you and the individual of your desire. Tie a knot in each of the ribbons while saying the following: your heart and mine, tethered, magic, not fate, draws us together. Repeat for each of the ribbons. When you are finished, put the name of the person you desire on the piece of paper and put the paper beneath the doll. You will now leave the doll for the next 24 hours. Be sure to snuff the candle. The next day, light the white candle again. Take up the doll and light some incense. Pass the doll through the smoke rising from the incense and say, your thoughts are loving visions of you and me. Now light the red candle. When ready, pass the doll just above the flame and say, your heart's fire burns for me. Now sprinkle the doll with some love oil and say, you'll feel our love in your dreams. Now you can place the doll in a bowl of salt, or you can put the doll down and sprinkle some salt on it. Say, you will move mountains for our love. Allow the red candle to burn down and then bury the candle outdoors. Hide the doll in a safe place where it will not be disturbed. Make sure the poppet remains intact. And now, await results. Thank you for watching my video. And this voodoo doll love spell kit is available for $20, and you can PayPal me the $20 and I will mail it off to you right away. I hope you enjoyed my video, and blessed be.